in case of cockroach, the type of circulatory system, that's the open type of circulatory system, because blood vessels are not much more developed, so it can divide into capillaries. They are poorly developed, so they open up into the space, and that space, coelom, here we called hemocoel. Basically, it's a coelom, body cavity, but now this coelom is filled with the blood. That's why that name given is a hemocoel. Next, see this picture over here. In this picture, you can understand the blood flow. Okay, see the carefully, the arrows are given for blood flow direction. Here, this part indicates the circulatory system, right? This is the circulatory system, and that circulatory system that open up anteriorly. So the blood comes outside from the circulatory system, and this part we call aorta. That is present on dorsal side, so we call it's a dorsal aorta. Okay, that we call the dorsal aorta, right? So in this circulatory system, one thing, that is heart is required, right? So in cockroach, first we will see this part, and then again we come back to this diagram. So in cockroach, total 13, in cockroach, okay, total 13 units of heart present. Total 13. See, this is the one unit, this is the second unit, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Total number of heart, remember here how many? 13. 3 units located in thorax in each segment, one in a prothorax, one in a mesothorax, one in a metathorax, and 10 are located in 10 abdominal segment. 3 plus 10, thorax plus abdomen. In each one, that is this heart unit is present. So 10 plus 3, total 13, right? These hearts are present, which helps into pumping the blood. Okay, just give me a minute. I show you one more picture. See, total 13 heart chambers are there in cockroach, 3 present in thorax, 10 present in abdomen, no heart chamber present in the head region. Right? Now, how the blood flow is there? Okay, blood, you know that from the heart, then blood vessels, and then it opens up, right? So blood come outside the system. So again, the how the blood that enter into this heart, blood again enter भी तो होना चाहिए into the heart, यहाँ से तो release हो रहा है, right? So here the things are given, which is not given in your textbook, but you should understand. Between the two adjacent heart unit, one, this is the one, फिर यहाँ पे ये second है, right? When this part indicates like a valve, okay, here this part indicates like a valve. When it contracts, then this portion is closed. When it relax, then see here in this picture, when it contracts, when it when the muscles, heart muscles are there, that get relaxed, then valve open. When contraction is there, remember here the chamber is closed. When contraction occur, चैम्बर, हार्ट चैम्बर देखो यहाँ पे ये क्लोज्ड हो गया, दिस हार्ट चैम्बर इज क्लोज्ड, right? When heart chamber is closed, so between two adjacent heart chamber, the small gap is created. Can you make out this small gap when contraction occur? Through this gap, see that one more over here, the adjacent chamber is there. So यहाँ पे भी contraction हुआ, the small gap is created through which from the outer side the blood again enter into the heart, right? And when this valve get open, ये portion जो है that opens, then it looks like this. All the chambers are connected with each other, right? So when valve open, they are connected. When valve close, so we can see the individual heart units like that. 1, 2, 3. Like that, the 13 heart units are there. So total, remember over here in cockroach, 13 heart units are there, 3 in thorax, 10 in abdomen. 13 chambered heart is present, which is the heart. It is made by the muscle that is located on dorsal side, right? And the opening you call the ostium. जो opening होता है यहाँ पे heart का, that we call the ostium. So when we see the blood movement, right? When we see the blood movement, so outer side ये जो part है, that we call now sinuses. जो coelom ही है basically, but now we call it a sinuses. So sinuses, from the sinuses, then ostium, blood enter into heart, right? And from the heart, I told you na that dorsal aorta open outside. So again the blood come outside the that the circulatory system. So again it come to the sinuses. So sinus is to heart, heart to sinuses. यहाँ पे ये flow होता है, right? Now see this picture so you can understand what are sinuses. Cockroach body is divisible into 3 parts, right? First one, that is over here. This is the first part. Body 1, 2. Ventral side. This is the ventral side of the cockroach, right? And here the sinus, the coelom is there. We call perineural sinus, right? Next, at the center over here in this part, that's the digestive system and other systems are there. Visceral systems are there. So we call perivisceral sinus. And the third one, that is towards the circulatory system here, we call pericardial sinus. 3 sinuses are there in cockroach. First number towards the dorsal side, pericardial, cardial term represent the heart. So surrounding the heart, the coelom part is there, we call pericardial sinus. Below that, perivisceral sinus. And at the ventral side, perineural sinus is there surrounding the nervous system, the coelom part. इतना clear है? First 3 sinuses name. This information only for NEET. Okay.
Ma'am, will you please again repeat their location?
Yes. Pericardial sinus surrounding the heart on dorsal side. Then at the center, perivisceral sinus surrounding that digestive system, and surrounding the nervous system, perineural sinuses. Right? Now, see, can you make out over here? Now, blood flow को आपको follow करना है. देखो. From this, ये यहाँ पे open हो गया. Just imagine कि यहाँ पे 13 chamber heart है, and this heart open outside, right? Anteriorly open होता है, and through which the blood come outside. अभी देखो blood ये direction में भी जा सकता है, and this direction also. Yes or no? Blood can flow in both the direction. यहाँ पे कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है कि एक ही डिरेक्शन में जाना है. इट कैन फ्लो इन बोथ द डिरेक्शन. सो इट now it comes again into which one? This pericardial sinuses. So can you make out here, given that this arrow, that pericardial sinuses से देखो blood enter हो रहा है again into the heart, right? Now remaining blood that flows into this perivisceral and perineural sinuses. So here also the blood flow in all, right? And from the posterior side, even from this side, blood again enter into the heart through that ostium. When that heart muscles get contract and relax, ostium pore form, and through that pore from the ostium, see, can you make out this? Blood again enter into the heart, right? So simply we can say that the blood flow starts with this sinuses. Commonly sinuses to the heart by ostium. Sinuses to the heart by which one? Ostium. So we write in this way: sinuses, ostium, heart, and again it come back to which part? Sinuses. Anteriorly open हो जाता है. So again it come to the sinuses. बोलिए, blood flow clear हुआ आपको with that sinuses name?
Yes.
Now, one more structure that associated with this circulatory system that not given in theory part but in diagram given. So remember this, board exam or regular need, that's the alary muscles, right? That's the which one? Alary muscles. Suppose ये first number का heart chamber है, right? Then second number heart chamber, third number heart chamber, fourth number heart chamber, fifth number heart chamber, right? Like that 13 heart chambers are there. So between two adjacent chambers like this, the muscles are present. Right? And this muscles name alary muscles. These muscles names are alary muscles. Right? Just imagine कि ये muscles contract हो रहा है, relax हो रहा है. That also helps in to form ostium, to get that valve portion open and closed. Alary muscles also helps in that. Right? Now, if anyone asks how many heart present in cockroach, your answer should be 1. Heart is 1, but chambers how many? 13. जैसे हमारे में भी heart एक ही है, but 4 chambered है. Right? Here heart is 1, but that is divided. This entire heart is divided into these 13 chambers, anterior to posterior. In thorax and abdomen segment, this heart is located. Right? Here this blood which come out from the sinus, which come out from that circulatory system into the sinuses where visceral organs are present, right? So all visceral organs bath into this blood which you called hemolymph. Blood को हम क्या बोलेंगे अभी यहाँ पे? Hemolymph, because that comes outside the system. This hemolymph is composed of two things. One is a plasma, which is a liquid part, and other, that's the blood cells we call hemocyte. Okay, hemolymph, hemocytes, and the plasma. Plasma, which is a colorless, and in that mainly the cells are there. That cell is a which one? Hemocytes, particularly leukocytes. Hemocytes में भी कौन से cells के type है? Leukocytes. ये NEET में आया है. Not given in your textbook, but remember, particular type of cell in cockroach, that is the leukocyte. Leukocyte meaning WBC, white blood cells. राइट। यहाँ पे देखो हीमोग्लोबिन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कैन यू टेल मी हीमोग्लोबिन की रिक्वायरमेंट है यहाँ पे? बोलिए यस और नो, हीमोग्लोबिन इज रिक्वायर्ड? साक्षी?
No, ma'am.
Yes, because respiratory system and circulatory system both are totally separated, right? So remember, hemocyte word is given. That doesn't mean hemoglobin is present. Simply remember here that's the type of cell, that is the leukocyte. Okay. So this much you have to learn for this blood vascular system. In that, just one line is remaining, that this heart which is differentiated into, जो इसका shape है, this shape we call the funnel shape. Okay, this one is a which one? Funnel shape structure, funnel shape chamber with ostia on either sides. Right? So it is differentiated into funnel shape chamber with ostia on either sides. Sinus is to ostia to heart to sinuses. Blood flow is there. बोलिए क्लियर है आपको ब्लड वैस्कुलर सिस्टम ऑफ कॉकरोच? इन दैट रिमेंबर फर्स्ट पॉइंट ओपन टाइप, सेकेंड पॉइंट here the blood vessels are poorly developed. Okay, so blood come into the space hemocoel. Next, so all the visceral organs bath into this hemolymph. Hemolymph is main composed by two things: blood, that's a blood cell you call hemocyte, and the plasma. Hemocyte particularly leukocyte. Then 13 chambered heart is present. This heart shows the blood flow movement. Okay, one more point. This heart shows the blood flow movement from posterior to anterior. Posterior to anterior, the blood flow occur, and that's why anteriorly it open up at the dorsal aorta. So blood released into sinuses. So blood flow sinuses से कहाँ पे enter होगा? Heart, but through ostium, and again from the heart to sinuses. 3 chambered in thorax region, 10 chambered in the abdomen region. By that way, total 13 chambered heart is present in cockroach. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now the next system that we call the reproductive system. Reproductive system of cockroach, in that one point, first point, that is sexual dimorphism, which I have already explained. Can you tell me what is the meaning of sexual dimorphism? Zil?
Both sex होते हैं but अलग अलग.
हाँ, but proper meaning क्या होगा? अर्पिता?
Ma'am, two sexes that are divided.
हाँ, on the basis of what? Sakshi?
Ma'am, on the basis of the external characteristics.
Correct. On the basis of the external characteristic that this cockroaches can be separated, or organism can be separated. This one is a male cockroach, this one is a female cockroach, right? No need to dissect for that organism, that we call the sexual dimorphism, right? Now here the sexes are separated first of all. Okay, organism is dioecious, sexes are separated. So we have to separately understand the male reproductive system of cockroach and female reproductive system of cockroach. Okay, first male reproductive system. So as you know, primary sex organ that is in male, testes. Okay, so first testes. Testes location, number of segment 4, 5th and 6th, abdominal. एब्डोमेन के जो 10 सेगमेंट्स है ना, उसमें 4th, 5th, 6th एब्डोमिनल सेगमेंट्स. In that, on sides, literally on sides, not at a central, dorsal, ventral, but laterally on sides. Suppose this is the cockroach body, so over here in this part, on lateral side, that these testes are located, right? Number 3 segments are there, 4th, 5th, 6th. 4th, फिर ये 5th नंबर का segment हो गया, and then 6th. Same on other side also. So which is a lobulated structure, and in which the sperm production process occurs. Same on other side also. Right? Now, next. So first, that's the, remember the testes. ये point आना चाहिए. Testes, primary sex organ, paired structure, 4th, 5th, 6th number segment, and laterally arranged. Function, production of sperm. Now, can you make out from each testis a duct-like structure arise that you call vas deferens? That first runs downward and then upward. Can you make out this first run downward and then again upward? So that duct structure you call vas deferens. Right? 2 vas deferens are there that extend backward and bend inward, means extend backward like this or downwardly grow and then back inward. And here both these vas deferens, they meet and open into this ejaculatory duct. Now here you have to imagine, this one is little bit difficult to understand. यहाँ पे देखो ये ejaculatory duct है, right? फ्रंट साइड पे ये स्ट्रक्चर आ गया है, ट्यूब्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर. सो यू कैन मेक दैट हियर this entire ejaculatory structure is present, ejaculatory duct, right? So you have to imagine कि over here both this vas deferens join, and this both the vas deferens is open into this ejaculatory duct, right? Next, ejaculatory duct that runs backward, means runs like this, backward, posterior side, and then open outside as a genital aperture. Okay, that opens outside as a male genital pore or genital aperture. Now, that is ventral to anus, because anus present on dorsal side, you know, पता है ना, anus present on the dorsal side. So anus जहाँ पे exactly अगर ventral side पे आप देखोगे, then you can get this male genital pore. Now, one gland is there here that you call mushroom gland or the utricular gland. Mushroom gland, or you call the which one? Utricular gland. This one over here. ये जो है phallic gland. Okay. So phallic gland is there. In that, one gland is a phallic and this one is mushroom, particularly here, जो tubular structure है. Okay, entire tubular structures are there, in which some are long tubules, some are small tubules are there. So this is the main utricular gland, or you can say that mushroom gland, because इसका जो shape होता है like a mushroom, right? So mushroom shaped gland, or else you can say that the utricular gland, that is formed by tubules, long tubules and the small tubules, right? And the third part, that is seminal vesicle, is also present. Utricular gland is formed by three structures: long tubule, small tubules, and seminal vesicles. Right? All these things, remember, open into ejaculatory duct. ये जो ग्लैंड है अल्टीमेटली ओपन कहाँ पे होता है? इनटू द इजेक्यूलेटरी डक्ट. वास डेफरेंस भी वहां पे ओपन हुआ इजेक्यूलेटरी डक्ट में, जहां से स्पर्म आएंगे. राइट? टेस्टिस टू वास डेफरेंस टू इजेक्यूलेटरी डक्ट, तो वहां पे स्पर्म आएंगे. नाउ दिस स्पर्म gets much more nourishment. So this thing provided by this long tubules, small tubules, and seminal vesicle, when it release their secretion into this ejaculatory duct. Right? Next, one more gland is there that you call the phallic gland. Phallic gland, another name, note down, conglobate gland. Phallic gland, another name, is a conglobate gland. Right? That is present just behind this mushroom gland. देखो इसके behind में है ये. This is the ejaculatory duct. Right? Here this long short tubules and entire seminal vesicles. Means we can say that this one is a utricular gland, and this is the phallic gland or conglobate gland. Right? Front में ये portion आ गया, so we can't exactly see the entire phallic gland. So this much portion is hide over here. Right? Now next is mushroom cell gland, जो utricular gland है. Remember their location, 6th and 7th segment. Here the location is which one? 6, 7 abdominal segment. 4, 5, 6 में testis है. Right? 6, 7 में utricular gland is there or mushroom cell gland. Next, जो phallic gland है or conglobate gland, that is lies beneath just this utricular gland. Right? Which open out by a phallic duct. Can you make out over here? Phallic aperture word is given. Small opening है यहाँ पे देखो. If we can make out in this. This is the phallic aperture. Phallic gland यहाँ पे आ रहा है and open हो रहा है outside. Okay. Now next. This gland secretion, phallic gland का जो secretion होता है, that helps in to open up the female reproductive part of cockroach or female cockroach for mating or copulation. Okay, during the copulation, because you know on outer surface that's the sclerites are present. This sclerite should be open up. First they open up the sclerites and then the female gonopore established, in which from this portion male gonopore that the sperms discharge into the female reproductive tract. So first remember the pathway. Male reproductive system, very shortly given in your textbook actually, that testis, vas deferens,